Today we're going to talk about two phoneme blending. So on the board behind me, I have the letters or the phonemes a, n. If you put those together, a, n, then say them fast, and you get the word an. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right? We have more. Let's try this one. N. N. Say it fast. N. Un. Un. Yes, you can do it. I knew you could. All right, how about another one? I, d. I, d. Id. There you go. You're putting those sounds together, those two sounds, and you're making a word. It's a kind, only this, well, this would be part of a word. Could be part of a word, and this all could be part of a word. That's why you need to learn how to blend those sounds together. Even if it's only two, even if it's only one, you need to know what the sound is. The next two sounds we're going to practice are I and I, Put them together. Im. The next ones we're going to do are a, app, app. Ooh. And here's another one. Add, add, add. This is what should be going on in your head. Okay, here's another one. At, at. And the last one is All those are parts of words. If you were to put a sound in front of them, some of them are words. If you were to put a sound in front of them, they would make a word. And so in order to read, if you can put these chunks together quickly, you will be an excellent reader. That's what good readers do. They chunk things together. I know that you're all good readers, and you can be good readers. You just have to do a little practice. So I have some practice for you, so time to get going on that. I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.